National Committee of the Police Federation said it notes with deep regret the sudden tragic passing of Constable Rushane Lee of Highway Safety and Patrol Division on Thursday. Constable Lee was hit by a motor vehicle while on duty along the Edward Seaga Highway on early Thursday morning. We are so hurt and saddened by his untimely demise. We mourn with the management and staff of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. May God be with you and give you strength during this very dark moment. The incident occurred in the vicinity of Unity Valley sometime after midnight. It is reported that the cop signaled a motorist to stop and was mowed down in the process. He was rushed to hospital and admitted for treatment. Police has confirmed that the motorist is in custody. One man is now in police custody after being arrested in connection with 2 separate fatal stabbings in Falmouth, Trelawney on Wednesday night. The deceased, both of Trelawney addresses, have been identified as 44-year-old Noel Wilson of Water Lane, Falmouth, and Joel Corey of Martha Bray. According to reports from the Falmouth police, at about 9:30 p.m., Wilson was standing on Parade Street in the vicinity of the public sanitary facility when he was reportedly pounced upon and stabbed in the neck and chest by an assailant armed with a knife. Then at about 11:17 p.m., while the police were probing the first scene, they were called to Water Square in the town where Corey was also stabbed. Corey was taken to the Falmouth Public General Hospital where he subsequently succumbed to his injuries. The police say they expect him to make a charge soon. Detectives assigned to the Area 3 Narcotics Division seized over 500 pounds of ganja during an operation in Slipe and Clandestine District, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday. A man has been charged in connection to the seizure. He is 38-year-old Alton McPherson, a farmer of Slipe District. McPherson was charged with possession of and dealing in ganja. McPherson was arrested following a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney.